Hey, 2 videos. That's not Fortnite. It's crazy. It's crazy. What is up with Atumbo? This is Captain here, Triple Storm, and we're doing another reaction video. Again, we're reacting to Terona Gallimore. She posted when was the last, I think, challenge it's called. So I'm going to watch this and obviously give my opinion. And I'll be answering the questions as well. So I'll say when last, whatever. Alright, so yeah, also if you have any videos that you want me to react to, either send them to me on Instagram, or yeah, you can use the Youbitubical Facebook group. So you can send them to me anywhere you can get in touch with me, right? Any social media platform that I'm on and you're on, you can find me, preferably Twitter, or well, probably not Twitter, preferably Instagram. Send them to my Instagram. I'll most likely reply to you on Instagram instead of like on Facebook or Twitter, because Twitter is a mess sometimes, and I barely use Facebook. Facebook linked to me Instagram, so I barely use Facebook. Plus, I have Messenger installed, so I'm probably not gonna say it. But yeah, let's watch the video. Alright. There was a reason why I did that. Oh god. Oh god. Like, me hate when people start the video before them actually start the video. Me do it too sometimes, so
What's
yeah.
up YouTube? It's a girl Terona, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, turn the post notification on and share with a friend.
But this actually add personality to a video, so that's why people do it.
Today, I'm going to do the when was the last time challenge. You guys asked me some questions and I'm going to answer them.
Before no point out the water bottle in the background, I am aware that it is there.
Now I'm making them come up in my business. Now I got show my business in my face today.
Alright, Terona, I have 2 questions before we start this. One, are you sure you want me if you come up in your business? The second question, are you sure you want to throw your business at me? Sorry, she's a woman and I'm a man. Let's continue.
So, one supporter asks, when was the last time you peed yourself? When was the last time I peed myself? Most when me a baby, me can't remember.
Every adult has accidentally or mistakenly or somewhat, especially men, right? Like, I don't know about women. Like, I know after I done the whole thing, we kind of use the thing, napkin and whatever, right? Or tissue. We as men sometimes, even after you're done your flush, you feel like that's everything, and then like you put it back in your boxers. Sometimes, it doesn't happen all the times, hasn't happened to me in a very, very, very long time. I guess the pipe has grown some more, so that not happen again. So what happened is you just get this weird, like someone left, someone just run out. It's just like fucking weird. Damn it. Or if you're in a hurry and you kind of hold it in and you accidentally slip over. That's besides the point. Let's continue.
When was the last time you tell someone you love them? This morning.
Every day, I tell Anita I love her every day, at least 4 times for the day. Sometimes way too much, and it annoy her. So like, she will like say, like me say, I love you, like so often that it got like really, really annoying to her. So like she ended up she eventually like just accepted it and just know say maybe tell her every single second, every single day, as long as she there what we can tell her. Or I call her up on the phone and tell her, or WhatsApp her and tell her, or Instagram or whatever I do. I just always tell her, right? Me tell my mom too every morning before me leave out and in the nights before me leave out. And my subscribers, I love you.
When was the last time you have sex? It's been a long time coming, and I haven't got anything. But it's okay. I ain't tripping. The last time is March. March? We up in a March. We up in a March. We up in a March. We up in a March.
April, May. It's 2 months now. Oh, you thought I was going to answer that question. Oh, right. Well, recently, obviously.
The first week of March or February. Guys, me don't remember, honestly. It's that long. It's long.
It's not that long, it's that unmemorable, right? Almost use one word on exit, so I like, right? Like, bro, how bad could it have been that she cannot remember how it felt? Ugh, somebody messed up there, bro. You need to step up on a game so that's when you do the things them they can remember. Please do the things them so that them can remember. Because when you do the things them on a half-assy, then saying things like these, but then forget when you do the things. Do the things so that them can remember. Trust me, I'm an expert. Actually, I'm a board man.
Long time ago. The next question is, when was the last time I changed my toothbrush? I always have people on, so I always have to change the toothbrush.
Then cheap, but I always have like spares. Like I have 2 here, and I have 2 here, and then I have like about 6 more somewhere, and then I have the whole pack thing, case thing.
If I ask over that question here, you joke out me eye. The last time I changed my toothbrush, I always got people yard, so I always have to change the toothbrush.
I think almost every month, so like I buy like 2 of the same color. I think maybe it's 3 months, but through me easier sick, I change it before that, so I change it almost every month.
Last time I borrowed something and haven't returned it. Something like what? Money?
My T3 band subscribers, I'm borrow them, I'm gonna give them back. You know, I get them back. Right? You'll find your own.
Money, food.
These are my subs.
What? I'm gonna borrow clothes. So I couldn't close. But the last time I borrowed something, I don't care back.
Alright, so I borrow Flame's PlayStation camera. I'm gonna give him back yet. He's never getting it back. Flames, if you watch the video, I'm joking, you're getting it back.
That I mean, no can't lend me nothing. Doesn't really care back.
Oh no, I'm not lending you nothing.
When was the last time you had feelings for someone? Right now? Right now, because I do have a crush. I do have a crush right now.
Oh, interesting. Speak.
So I am the old still, guys. When I feel like come out of my video.
Oh gosh. Alright, when was the last time I had feelings for someone? Alright, so it depends, because like here's the thing. when people say feelings, you have different kind of feelings. You have intimate feelings and you have sentimental feelings. Intimate feelings, obviously, as a human being, especially me as a man, I do have feelings for women, right? So, like my personal baby mom, like you know them the feelings and have nowhere to go, right? You do have other women, women that you see out there, and you think to yourself and say, alright, this woman look good, this woman look alright and cool, right? Don't make it go too far because that's where you get intimate feelings. But like friendly feelings, like where you have like a friendly kind of love towards somebody, or like a relationship kind of love towards somebody. Like with Terona now, like obviously me have some level of feelings towards her. Not just because she's a woman, of course, but because I've known her for a while now and would I like to see she succeed in her life. So there's some level of feelings towards her in terms of me feeling proud of her for everything what she accomplished. So there's me feeling proud, there's me feeling happy, and there's me feeling emotional, all of the good emotions, and whenever me and her encounter or whatever, because she's a good person. So you know, there's feelings here, right? But most times when people say feelings, they say intimate feelings, right? A woman has to be really good in order to get me to get invested in her intimately, to have like intimate feelings for her, right? So even if me like say it and play it off like me have intimate feelings for you as a woman, I probably don't. But flirting or the flirtatious kind of thing kind of adds a nice bit of vibe to conversations and friendships and relationships and overall just the tolerance of a woman and a man being in the same area. Because if we're all uptight and pretend like we don't even want to flirt or say anything to each other, it's gonna get weird. Nobody likes weird. Nobody likes weird.
Yes, true. When was the last time you have a crush? Me just answer the question there. Me do have a crush. People cute, you see? But I'm afraid I
have a crush?
Hell no. Niggas be playing.
Do I have a crush? Do I have a crush? Yeah, but not somebody that I can actually go anywhere near. I have this crush on, what's her name? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forget her name. But like, I don't know who may attack. She sing the song about girls, but boys. She sing the song about boys. And some nice plus size beat it. I like plus size women. Like, before I give my opinions, just hear me out. I like shapes. I like women of different types of shapes. Alright? But I do love plus size women. Right? So if a woman is a plus size woman, most likely I will like the plus size woman over the other woman. If they look the same, but one plus size and the other is average, then you know I'll go for the plus size. But there is still something in slim chicks, right? Slim women are good. Trust me, like you have some really slim women who look really, 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 really good. I might elaborate on that in another video. Like Terona, she shaped good, she shaped nice, right? But my personal preference, if I had to choose, if I'm building my perfect woman has to be plus size, right? So yeah, me eventually get her name and try to remember what she name and let me tell her now.
I ain't got time for jokes.
Also, she said she have one crush on somebody, right? Next time when she come, I go drill her. So I'm gonna get the exclusive phone people so I know exactly who she attack, right? So we're doing some detective work now behind the scenes. Yeah, this is what I do for my subscribers.
I ain't got time for jokes.
We shouldn't, because like, you know, don't know anything.
Put
So
Philip, you know.
don't make anybody use it.
Put on my teddy bear. Put on the man. Watch out. Where you touch on my brain? You know see me make my video. When was the last time you cursed someone?
Every day.
No, you don't know that.
Every day.
You are gonna make me cuss you now.
Lizzo is her name. Her name is Lizzo. Lizzo is her name. I freaking love Lizzo. I'm attracted to Lizzo in a way that y'all couldn't even understand. Look, Lizzo is a woman that, like, I know simp, but Lizzo is a woman that she's plus size and she's proud of herself being plus size, right? And she shows it off. And she's a bit flexible being plus size, so you know that's plus right there. It's a real plus right there, right? So that's one of the reasons. That's one of the things why I love plus size women as well, is because plus size women, some of them actually can manage the weight and stuff, right? And that's one of the things I love about slim girls over plus size women too, is that a lot of they can manage their weight, right? Them keep themselves physically active and stuff, right? So again, if you're plus size and your weight is the issue to you, you are comfortable in your skin and you don't have complications, physical complications, then that's fine. Be proud of yourself. But if you are plus size and you are having physical complications, please do something, lose weight. You are beautiful no matter what you look like, right? Whether you're plus size or you're slim or whatever, it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's just how you feel about yourself, whether this is the best version of yourself or you're doing this for the betterment of yourself, right? Going on a little lecture here, but just want to get it out there, people, right? Just like with men, I've been buffed, now I'm slim, right? And yeah, all right, you know, whichever one works out best for me, so it is what it is.
Come out of my video. Let me do me make this one. Last time I caught somebody with me have an ice pool.
Last time.
Last time I caught somebody.
Last time I caught somebody, I think reborn every single day. Every single day. Every single day.
I in a March.
When was the last time I had a good sex? You know,
Come out! You think some say come out of me? When was the last time I had good sex? The last time I grind. Last time I grind. Last time I have good sex was March.
you have to name me person.
Why am I going to name the person? Move on.
However, if I did have to answer that, it just read the pin. Just read the look. My board man. I only have one partner. Only one partner. So you do the math. You will figure it out.
Sure.
I don't need to name the person. The whole world already knows. I don't need to answer this question. I can just move on. I don't need to answer it. Like, the whole world already know. Why do I even bother? Why people are always curious about that? Like, why? Like we can understand from we as a man asking a woman, but why would a woman want to know that from a man? Like, let me not say. Let me continue.
When was the
Alex.
That's a long time, so.
Hey, name call.
When was the
Name
last
call.
time I did something crazy? The last time I do something crazy, I went to fight one boy at one place. And then they have to move me from that place there and put me at that place there. So me not lit down that. So me and that person there, no in no more altercation, and him no kill me and me no kill him. And yeah, so that's the last time I did something crazy. And when you ask me one question, when was the last time I did something?
I did crazy chicks. However, comma, the last time I did something crazy was about 3 months ago. I did this to my hair, so now it's all curly, and it's resulted. It's tall. It's like ridiculously tall. So it's tall enough to come down to like eye level, right? So that's like how tall it is. Right, that was the last time I did something crazy, I think. But in all honesty, my existence is crazy. I do crazy things every day. So I guess every day is the last time I did something crazy. Every day.
I know the last time sleep and feel uncomfortable.
Day before last night. And that's your question? You hear me?
Day before last night. Anyways, last time I slept and feel uncomfortable every single day. Like, I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to talk about this, but there was an accident that I was involved in. It wasn't a car accident, it was an accident between me and a lot of stairs. And it resulted in some tearing, some damaging, and some stuff. So there was some connective tissue that was damaged. There was some other damage, some nerve damage and stuff. It was a lot of damage. So sitting for a long time makes me uncomfortable. Standing for a long time makes me uncomfortable. I will miss a long time. I mean, like, any amount of time. Like, if I'm not constantly moving, that's why you see me moving, doing this and then this and then this and then this throughout the video and stuff, because I like just moving in general. If my spine isn't like constantly moving, eventually over time it just starts to compress, and then when it starts compressing, that's when the pain starts to hit. So like, it's painful to move, and like it's painful to do everything, right? But sleeping, sitting, standing, those are more painful than like doing things. But so it's like, it's just uncomfortable overall existing, but sleeping is definitely one of the things. So that's why like I don't get as much sleep as I used to get once upon a time. So now it's like maybe 4 hours sleep max. So to spend that time, I edit videos. It's probably the best thing I could do. I don't really see anything else which would be better to do than just edit videos.
CJ, go ask me one question. When was the last?
So to answer the question, when was the last time I slept and felt uncomfortable, it would be...
It's been a long...
What time is it now?
It
would be about an hour ago.
So come out on the video. How are this? So I say, show down please me. I say, may I ask you?
That's one good question.
When was the last time I
When
was?
was the last time I got calling you?
My feelings in the air top. Me no go down.
That can't happen. That will never happen. Me not even know say nobody now go live to see that happen, because even after they dead, that nah go happen. That witness, not. I don't even know why me answer that question.
So, but it can't do that.
That is what people say in the beginning of their life, and then they don't know what will happen in the future. Look, I'm not here to judge anybody's sexual orientation. However, listen, there comes a time in your life, and again, people, this is my opinion. Just giving my opinion, alright? I don't believe that a person should be judged on the things that they do behind closed doors, as long as they keep it behind closed doors. However, there are things that people do behind closed doors that should be kept there and not brought forward. So even if you do the low down things, excuse me, what? Even if you do the lowdown things, as she said, I don't think you're supposed to bring it out to the public and tell the public, right? Because then people don't judge you or judge the person. You understand? And then it's like I don't really get why people like so that interested in it or like just try to judge people based on it. Like, look, you won't be judged if you don't tell people, right? But again, there's nothing wrong with whatever you do to either gain or give pleasure during you know, happy time, right? That's between you and the person who you are doing it with. So having an open mind to these things, again, having an open mind to it, that's between the person, because you honestly don't know. You don't know if somebody put mustard or ketchup on a hot dog. You don't know, right? And the person can tell you that they don't put either of them, and then when they're home, they put mustard, ketchup, and the mayonnaise on their hot dog, right? So, like, people have asked me this question before, not personally about me, but like how I feel about them. I always tell them I don't think any less of a woman if a woman does it, right? And I don't think any more of a woman if a woman does it. It's just something that she made the choice of doing it, or she made the choice to refuse to do it, right? But it's her choice. If she don't want to do it, she just don't want to do it. A man tap from force the woman, the man try this the woman, because the woman them line on foolishness. See, and every woman freaky. Same like how and every man freaky. Right? Somehow we run the joke them, but we're not really in it. Just like how we run joke and say, oh, we thief or we rob or we delete the YouTube channel and we don't do it, right? It's a joke. Jokes are supposed to be funny. I don't know when we reach this stage in our society when we can't make jokes. Went a little rant there. Continue.
And I look up on the road right now, so see you guys later. Peace.
Oh, that's the end of the video. Alright, so that was the end of the video. Hope I liked it. Yeah, I did like it. It was interesting to say the least, but yeah, she has a unique style to her. She don't shy away from who she is and her past, which is something good for as an individual characteristic to have. It's bad as a YouTuber to answer questions because then your past, your whole life over there. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it was a good video. Enjoyed, had fun, also answer any questions, and yeah, I might do something like this when I will. You know what? I'm gonna do something like this. Instagram, check out my Instagram, triple.storm, TRIPLE.STORM. Damn near couldn't spell my own name a while ago. Right, but yeah, people, this has been Triple S Storm, aka Captain Atumbo, and this has been a reaction video, right? So yeah, will I do another one like this? Maybe. Should I do another one like this? It's up to you. And do I enjoy doing videos like this? Absolutely, it's nice, right? Stay one by two people, and yeah, take care.
Till I'm finished, I'm aiming for something more. I'm not trying to be diminished. Giving them my all, nothing less than the full percentage. I'm doing what I do cause I know what is my incentive. One day I'm gonna eat until I'm full. I'm gonna keep pushing like a door that you don't know that you should pull. Maneuvering through the valleys and climbing over the mountains. Ignoring all of these niggas who only about the doubting. Same goal, it's just a different location. You gotta know what you're about, you gotta know where you're stationed. I keep moving to the goal, that's an ambitious migration. And I don't ever take a pause like it was poor punctuation.